This video is to highlight how you can add notes to any call that you are on. I'm going to go ahead and initiate a call to Kristen. Now that I'm on a connected call, I have an ability to add notes to this call by clicking this Call Tools button in the upper right. When I click this button, I have an open field where I can put notes in. If I'd like to use a note template, I can do so here. Then it will insert that template for me, where I can then add the information that I learned on the call itself. I can also add notes after a call is over. When I end the call, you'll notice that I am flagged to disposition the call with this large orange banner. If I click this orange banner, it will open the same tab that I was on, asking me to complete a disposition. I thought I had a testing disposition that I do not, so I will simply disposition this as no immediate action. But as I do that after the call is over, I can still edit any call notes that I had. Simply hit save, and those call notes are now logged on the activity record in Salesforce.